Are you concerned about workplace safety and maintenance? Discover how eAuditor can streamline your health and safety assessments. Learn about integrated practices that ensure equipment, facilities, and infrastructure function properly. eAuditor verifies workplace facilities and equipment compliance with health standards. It prevents accidents by ensuring proper maintenance practices. Structured checklists and condition ratings aid in assessments. Real-time documentation and photo evidence support findings. Automated tracking and digital signatures enhance accountability. The assessment covers equipment and facility inspections for proper functioning. It verifies health and safety compliance, including PPE availability. Hazard identification evaluates physical and chemical risks. Emergency preparedness is assessed through fire safety and evacuation procedures. Staff awareness is crucial for effective emergency response. Begin with loading the assessment template in eAuditor. Confirm sections for maintenance and safety checks. Enable features like photo attachments and GPS tagging. Assign tasks to relevant personnel for accountability. Conduct equipment and facility inspections meticulously. Review workplace safety compliance, inspecting PPE and signage. Identify hazards and evaluate risks. Document findings with photos and suggest mitigation measures. Inspect emergency equipment and verify procedures. Ensure staff are aware and trained for emergencies. Capture data in real time during assessments. Attach photos and tag corrective actions for follow-up. Convert deficiencies into tasks with deadlines. Generate comprehensive reports digitally. Securely store reports for audits and compliance verification. Identify trends in hazards and maintenance failures. Highlight areas needing intervention to prevent incidents. Monitor compliance and track corrective actions. Implement preventive measures based on audit findings. Update schedules and train staff for continuous improvement. The assessment using eAuditor ensures workplace safety and compliance. Structured checklists and photographic documentation support thorough evaluations. Automated tracking and secure report storage enhance accountability and compliance.